Join SL Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT JEE and medical exam preparations. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Activists are up in arms over the recent Major Ports Act. They fear this act, which was recently passed, has ensured that the state government has no jurisdictions over or no say over the Murmuga Port Trust. MPT's own rules and regulations are thus about the laws of the state government and local bodies. Here are the details. MPT is already in center of controversy on the coal issue and extension of berth. Some time back, the issue of NAFTA had rocked the state, and the chief minister had made statements about some sort of inquiry. However, nothing came of that. Now, the environment minister Nilesh Cabral has said that the government will put restrictions on MPT for coal handling as per Goa Pollution Control Board and also determine the jurisdiction of MPT. However, that may all be just talk once the new act is implemented, with activists fearing that sections of the act will allow MPT free hand to acquire unlimited land along both sides of the river, possibly up to Betul in south and Talegaon in the north, and be about local laws.
The Major Port Authorities Bill 2020 has been passed by Parliament last week and is soon set to be a law. Sections 22 to 25 of this new law have a tremendous ramification for a small state like Goa. What these provisions envisage is that the Major Port Authority will have unfettered power to develop, carry out construction, to reclaim any land and water area within its port limits and appurtenant lands and within its port assets. Port limits of Murmugaon Port are along the Zuari River up to Kortalim Ferry Point, including both the banks up to Raj Bhavan, and then they turn south towards Welsam Beach and then Betul Port. Now, this new law empowers the Major Port Authority to carry out development, reclamation, construction within its port limits without prior permission of the state government and local bodies, and in supersession of any plans prepared by the state government and local bodies. The Regional Plan of Goa, the ODP of Vasco da Gama, the Municipalities Act, the Panchayat Act, the Town Planning Act, the Goa Land Revenue Code shall not apply. In fact, there is a provision in this new law that the Major Port Authority shall prepare its own master plan, and in case there is a conflict between the Major Ports master plan and the state government's master plan, the Major Ports master plan will override the state government's master plan.
This draconian bill aims to regulate, operate and plan for the jurisdiction which extends for 53 long kilometers, which extends from Betul in the south to Talegaon in the north and includes the estuarian villages in the Zuari Bay.
Hirumale for Goa 365 from Vasco.